Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain you about your winter vacation work. Firstly, I am repeating the previous chapter, the periodic table. What is the periodic table? That is the arrangement of an element by that of the by mean of their atomic number. Okay, they in the periodic table, 7 horizontal rows called periods are present. 16 vertical columns, that is called as groups, are present. Or any different thing, that any small object which is any matter is made up of a smallest particle which is called an atom. When many atoms combine together, they form molecule. Chemical formula is the representation of any element. It's called as the chemical formula. These are the basic things which you have studied. There is certain names of the groups, like that alkali group, halogen group, and some other group that are the noble gases group. These all are present in that of the periodic table. This is the basic things which you have studied in that chapter, periodic table. Now we will going to start. Now I am going to start the. Now I'm going to explain you the new chapter, that is fit and healthy. That is the chapter number 5 from your book. What do you mean by fit and healthy? Stay active, be healthy means if you will exercise, you will be active, you will be a healthy person. If you do exercise, means you are active and you are a healthy person. And there are certain things which is important for a healthy life, that is positive thinking. Means if you are thinking good for others, or for if you are spreading positivity, you will feel good. uh, Regular exercise and eat better means if you are taking a better food means you are taking a healthy diet, a balanced diet, so you will remain healthy for the life. There is less chances of illness in your body. So these things are most important for your body. And one more thing, that is not abusing your body with drugs, means say no to drugs. This is another point by which you will remain healthy. Now I am going to explain you this topic. Healthy eating means you will take such type of food which is good for your health, food that provide energy, provide building materials. Building materials means the food that provide those types of things, nutrition to your body, which is needed for the growth. Food that control chemical reactions means chemical reaction. Different types of chemical reactions are continuously taking place in your body, which is controlled by that food. Food that contain dietary fibers. Now over here you will see some foods which will provide you energy, like that. If we talk about eggs is rich in that of the protein. Apples are rich on that of the iron, protein. So these all are the food which will provide energy to you. These are the three main things which is very important for the human body, that are protein, carbohydrate, and fats. Plant life provide the nutrition that are needed for our cell to function. These are the protein rich foods, like that of yogurt, milk. You all know that these all are very important for your body. And this protein milk is very much needed for your growth, for the growth of your hairs, for the growth of your teeth, for the growth of your body. It is very important, it is very essential to have a protein in your body. Now there is a certain important functions of the protein which is performing in your body, that is support muscles contracting and movement, provide support to the body. Hormone help coordinating bodily function. More essential molecule around the body support the regulation and expression of DNA and RNA. Digestive enzymes help facilitating chemical reactions. These all are the essential functions which a protein is performing in your body. Now we will talk about vitamins. This is the chart for the vitamin C, that these products contain the vitamin C, which is very important for your body. what are the importance of vitamins in your body, what are the basic functions which is performing in your body, help release energy from the food, help keep skin and nerves healthy, help make red blood cells. These are the now we will talk about the mineral salts. These are some of the mineral salts which is essential for your body, which is needed for your body. Minerals are essential for building tissues such as bones and teeth. These are the major functions of the minerals. Minerals are essential for good health and normal growth. Minerals are involved in the control of certain processes in the body such as muscle contraction and blood clotting. Minerals help to prevent diseases. Minerals are important compound of the body fluid. Now, these are the fibers. What are the fibers? Fibrous food is also very important for us. Fibers is made up of plant cell wall which pass through the digestive system without being digested or absorbed. So, fibers are also very much needed to your body. Food contain a lot of fiber, help prevent constipation and other disorder of digestive system. Main important function of the fibrous food is to maintain your digestive system. These are the major functions which is done by that of the fibrous food: slow digestion, slow karta, lower cholesterol, cholesterol. It is very much good for the blood cholesterol. These are the some of the functions which is performing in our body due to the fibrous food. Now we will talk about some nutritious disorders. There are certain types of nutritious disorders which is caused by the different issues. For example, firstly, we will cause malnutrition. Malnutrition means decrease of something. If anything will be decreased, so this is called as the malnutrition. Or if we define the malnutrition, if we eat the little, however, we become malnutrited. Malnutrition is caused due to the lacking of any thing like that. Diabetes. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a condition where your body does not make enough insulin of the enough insulin, or the insulin is made does not work properly. Due to this, diabetic produced in your body. Insulin is a hormone which absorb which decrease the sugar level in your body. This is called as diabetes. Now this is the work which you have to complete in your biology copy. This is the biology chapter. You have to complete this work in your biology copy. Thank you.